Hi pen friends, this is Sarah
and Eve,
and today we're going to swatch some food themed inks. So happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Eve is going to pick out her pumpkins for Halloween, and pumpkins always make me think of Diamine Pumpkin ink.
Oh yeah, the pumpkin ink.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I figured we might as well find all the other vegetables and fruits and treats that we have inks that have the same name.
Yeah, and like kind of Halloween-y stuff, or like just regular?
Just like all of the food type inks that we have.
Oh, so like food.
Yeah.
We're buying food.
Yep. So I made a list of all of the food names that our inks have, and we're gonna have Eve find those things, and then we'll swatch the inks and compare the foods that the inks are named after.
Ooh, iced cookie?
Yep, we'll see if they have any.
I want to eat some.
And we'll compare our foods to the inks and see how the colors compare.
Okay.
What do you think? Do you think that'll be fun?
I think that'll be really fun. Let's go inside the store.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh, cherry Danish. So here's the pastries, and there's a cherry Danish twirl right here. Berry. Like what kind of berry?
It didn't say. It just says berry.
You know what color? Like what color is the ink?
It's like a purple ink.
Oh, okay. Let's find a purple berry. I'm thinking like grapes, maybe.
Grapes aren't berries. Like raspberries and blackberries.
I guess blackberries. Then.
And a good blackberries. Okay.
A blackberry.
Great.
Green tomato. There's not really green tomato.
Over here.
Oh, over here. There's like a good, this is like a green tomato. It's very green tomato. Wild
I don't think they have
strawberry.
wild ones at the grocery store. I think you could just get regular strawberries.
Just regular strawberries. Sorry if they're not wild enough. So some Driscoll's strawberries.
The next thing is grapefruit.
Okay. These aren't as specific, so grapefruit. Let's take this one.
Do you know what an aubergine is?
No.
It's another word for eggplant.
Oh, eggplant. Well, if you get eggplants, so this one looks nice.
Okay, now we need Epinard. Do you know what Epinard is?
No.
It's the French word for spinach.
Oh, spinach. Oh, that's spinach over here. Good. Great for salad cooking. Great. Mmm, chocolate. Okay. These are all Hershey stuff. I think that we should get these little tiny snack size.
Okay. All right, did you find a cookie?
Yep, I found a cookie.
Great. And now why don't you pick out a pumpkin?
Okay, I'll get this one.
Okay, great. All right, here's the results of our shopping trip.
Hello.
Okay, let's swatch these inks. We had to come outside because the sun is going down and there wasn't enough sun inside.
So is this wild strawberry?
This is wild strawberry. Diamine wild strawberry.
This is a pretty color.
Yeah, it is. It's one of my favorite bright reds.
Yeah, it's like a really good, like it looks like a strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I think it looks like a strawberry. We'll have to compare it later.
Okay. And now we've got Monteverde cherry Danish.
Cherry Danish. Yep. What color is this gonna be? Red. Again.
And now we have Diamine Pumpkin.
I forgot to say this when I was actually doing cherry Danish, but it looks really appetizing. It makes me want to eat the actual cherry Danish. At first this pumpkin looked like really red, but now it's starting to get very pumpkin-y. I'm excited to carve my Halloween pumpkin this season.
Yeah. All right. right.
It's an exciting season.
Now we've got KWZ Grapefruit.
Ooh, grapefruit. I usually don't eat grapefruit very much. It's another like orangish. I thought that it would be more pink.
Mm-hmm.
It isn't very accurate to actual grapefruit.
Well, we'll see when we compare it to the actual grapefruit.
Yeah, well, you know, I haven't eaten very much grapefruit, so.
Alright, now we've got DeAtramentis green tomato.
This looks like it could be a really dark green compared to the bright green tomato that we got.
Yeah,
Did we get the wrong tomato?
I don't know.
Shade of tomato?
The picture on the bottle actually looks like the tomato that we got. It's
Oh yeah,
like
it
a
does.
bright green,
Yeah, like a
but
bright green, but that's not the ink color.
no.
Well, I mean, let's see it until it dries. You know,
And
sometimes
this one's
it
actually a
dries lighter.
scented ink. It smells like tomato.
Wait, hold on, can I smell?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. It smells like tomato.
Yep. Now we've got Sailor Epinard.
Oh no, I spilled it on the
Oh.
chocolate brown. Can you like blot, like
Okay, I will try.
wipe it off?
Just keep doing the Epinard, please.
This does look like, you know, a really dark Epinard
Yeah, spinach.
spinach. I keep saying Epinard because I'm like, I forgot what the actual, you know, vegetable is, but
Yeah.
you know, this is darker than any other vegetable that I've seen.
Alright.
Maybe it's gonna dry later.
Now we've got Monteverde iced cookie.
Ooh, iced cookie. Yummy. This is a really dark. Again, maybe we got like the wrong shade of icing.
Well, it was the only one that had any
Yeah.
sort of blue icing that we could find.
Yeah. It was a struggle to get comparison for this one. I'm gonna make sure it's evenly distributed across the.
Okay. And now we've got Diamine chocolate brown.
Ooh, chocolate brown. So far this looks like black, but that part where I took it off the paper, yeah, it really gets chocolate. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry doing these inks. Yeah, it covered up the Epinard. Good.
Good.
Good. This is so yummy. This is making me hungry.
Alright, now we've got KWZ Berry.
Oh, berry. Still making me hungry. These are really pretty colors. It's like the whole rainbow except yellow.
Yeah, I don't have any yellow
Yeah, you
inks.
don't have any yellow. I felt like maybe you had like one. Nope. I feel like just swatching. Well, that would be just paint. You know.
And lastly, we have DeAtramentis Aubergine.
Aubergine. I still forgot what aubergine. Oh, it's eggplant.
Yeah.
I remembered. This is I think that this is going to match the real eggplant very well.
Alright, so are you ready to swatch the food?
How do we swatch food?
You'll see.
I will.
Alright, first we're gonna swatch Diamine Wild Strawberry. So, do you
wanna
see
eat
the square
this.
beside it?
I want to eat that.
Okay, there's our strawberry.
That's pretty close. Pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Now we've got Monteverde Cherry Danish.
Oh, I want to
Be
eat
careful.
this so much. I want to eat this.
Alright. Let's straighten it out a little bit. There.
It's like less. It's more of a paler red than the actual cherry Danish, but still pretty close.
Here's our swatch of pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Is this our Halloween pumpkin?
Yeah, I just took it off the bottom of the
Okay,
pumpkin.
good.
And here is grapefruit.
Fruit. I want to eat all of these.
Can you push up your sleeve so it doesn't get in the ink?
Okay.
And then we've got green tomato.
Green tomato. I want to eat all of these.
And this one's
this is very much lighter.
So
this one's a bit lighter.
The spinach was pretty light green, and I thought maybe they meant cooked spinach, so I cooked this.
Oh, you cooked it?
Yep, I cooked it.
So I can eat this one too. Yeah, that one's got like a copper tint to it. The spinach obviously does not.
And we've got iced cookie.
The Epinard color is much darker. Also, this is a really light blue.
Chocolate brown.
Chocolate. I want to eat this.
Berry.
Ooh, yum.
This one, it's looking pretty black, the berries, so I thought maybe we should squish it a little bit.
No, I want to eat that.
I know, but I wanted to see if maybe
we got a blackberry.
I know, but it's sort of, the juice can be kind of purple.
Yeah. Guess we'll kind of do an actual swatch with it. I'm not going to be eating this. No, actually, yes, I will. I want to eat it.
That might be a fail, but
I
tried to.
I mean, like, you know, we got a blackberry, so.
And here's the eggplant aubergine.
Eggplant. The inside is not purple, but the outside
is.
Well, this is like, I mean, I really like when you can see the color and it doesn't just look like black, but the outside of an eggplant does look really black.
All right, so let's say whether we think they came close. How about strawberry?
Strawberry is pretty good. Like, better than most of the other ones did.
Yep. And cherry Danish?
Cherry Danish was also pretty close, but just too pale for the actual cherry Danish.
But in the dark areas, maybe it did.
Yeah, like maybe.
Pumpkin. I always thought that Diamine Pumpkin was
like
so
pink.
bright compared to real pumpkin.
It is pink. Like, you know, some pumpkins have like the really reddy, pinky pumpkins, but this is not.
That's like neon.
Neon pumpkin.
Neon pumpkin. The grapefruit, it's kind of closer than I thought it would be.
Yeah, like the grapefruit is brighter. Like, you know, opposite problems with the cherry Danish.
Yeah. The green tomato is kind of way off.
Yeah, like even the bottle has like a picture of the lighter green tomato. Maybe they're talking about the outside.
This is the outside. That was the outside of it. It's pretty much the same color.
Cucumber.
The Epinard was pretty close. I'd say that's the closest.
I mean, no, it's got like copper tint and it's.
Oh, that's true.
A much darker than the actual.
That's true, spinach. But in I don't know, in the lighter areas. It's not really completely dry yet. Iced cookie?
No.
Pretty close. I mean,
no. I mean, like, to these parts.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
about. That
about.
wasn't supposed to be the blue part. I mean, well, yeah.
Alright, how about the chocolate brown?
Yeah, the chocolate brown is good.
Very close.
Can I eat this chocolate?
Okay.
Okay, I'm eating it.
And the berry, if you look at the juice,
the juice is
similar, but
like you know, it's also purple.
Yeah,
they're both purple.
And how about the aubergine?
No,
it's a lot darker. The real aubergine is a lot darker.
Yeah, the real eggplant is like almost black, but I mean, in this case, I like that it's different from the actual fruit because, you know, is it a fruit or a vegetable?
That's a good question.
Well, like, I like how you can see that it's purple, not just like a little purple tint on just black. I love that.
Now, usually I bring the page up to get a closer look. I'm gonna see if I can do it. This might not work out. But
don't do anything to my cherry Danish.
Alright, bringing it up closer. Alright, some closer looks of these inks.
Absolutely no sheen on the actual foods at all.
There's some sheen on that tomato. And
a little bit on the wild strawberry. And a little bit on the grape. Not grape, it's not grape.
I'm gonna have to turn this upside down to show you aubergine and chocolate brown.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you're standing in the light. I'm sorry the sun went down as we were making this, so hopefully you got a good enough
And hopefully
view.
you see.
We hope that you'll have a great Halloween.
Bye.
Bye! Well, Eve's been eating all of our samples. There goes our grapefruit swatch. But you know that the cookie was the first one she ate.
And then the Danish.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat that raw.
Oh, it's raw?
Yeah, the eggplant is raw, but you could eat the grapefruit.
This is the great thing about making videos like this.
You get to eat it afterwards.
Yeah, I get to eat. Like, I ate almost everything except for the pumpkin.
Yeah, the pumpkin's raw also. If you cook it, you could eat it. But
Yeah.